Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. After my last video, some of you asked how did I find internship and also how to find internship in the UK. So that's what I will be discussing in this video. But if you are new here or if you want to subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. And also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So with that being said, let's start our discussion. So first I would like to discuss how did I find the internship, and then I will tell you what are the best ways to find internship. So there are many meetups going on here in the UK. I mean, it happens in India as well. So you can join those meetups. So to find meetups near you, there is this website called meetup.com. I'll leave the link into the description. You can check out that one and you can register on that. So whenever there is a meetup related to your interest and it is in somewhere close to you, so it notifies you and then you can just go and join those meetups. So again, networking is very important. I joined that meetup. I went there and then someone told that, and actually he is a head of NICA. NICA is a department of Newcastle University which works with aging and things like that. So he came and he told they have a lot of data and they want to analyze it and things like that. So, and also they want to do some behavioral analysis and stuff. So I have interest in psychology as well as I'm doing data science. So I think I had best from both the worlds. So I thought, okay, why not? So I reached out to him and he was very kind enough to let me know what all things he is doing and his team. So we were actually interested in that, and then we also gave our input and our expertise, whatever we had, and he was also happy with that. And then there were a few openings, so he was like, if you guys wanna join as an intern, you can join. So that's how I got that internship. So it was not like I applied on thousands of websites and then somehow I managed to get internship. So it was not like that. It was fairly based on the networking and things like that. So again, the networking is very important. If you are able to get in touch with important people, you will be able to find useful internships which you want. So it's not just for IT, it can be for any other field. If you're into medical, if you are into marketing, if you are into management, it doesn't really matter. There are so many meetups going on, so many events are going on. So you just need to find right one for you and just join it, and then probably from there you can make good connections, and then you will be able to find right opportunity for you. So that's how I got. There are many other ways how you can find internships. Like there are websites like Indeed and Target Jobs is quite popular here. So you can register on those websites as well and for their newsletters. So maybe weekly or daily, how whatever is your preference. Based on that, you can join or register for their or subscribe for their newsletter. They will send you all the openings or just internships. So from there also you can find some of the internships. But if you just want a part-time job, not actually related to your field, for that there are many shops here and supermarkets. You can directly go in there and you can ask, is there any opening? So you can find that. Many of my friends have got part-time job just like that. And in most of the cities, Amazon has their warehouse. So for them, they have their dedicated website. You can go on to their website and you can apply there. And again, you can also use other websites like I mentioned, Indeed, Target Job, or Read. I think it's Read, something like that. Yeah, I leave some of the links in the description, so you can always check out all those links. So yeah, that's how I find my internship, and my internship will start from 1st of April. So I will be working on data science stuff, but as to what exactly I'll be working on, that I don't know as of now. But yes, it is related to data science. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any query, you can always ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. And if you want to download data science notes, link is in the description. You can again download that notes and it will help you in learning. And if you want to join our Telegram group, you can join Telegram group as well. It's a very good community, helping you everybody is helping each other. So that is there. Again, the link is in the description. So yeah, that's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye, happy learning.